Hey y'all, it's Julie. I got you some dosage calculations with labels. Everybody scream. Yay. All right. The directions on these say, calculate the following dose using the formula method, which we do. Everybody on the planet should. Round your milliliters to the nearest tenth unless otherwise indicated. The order is for clindamycin 0.6 grams IV Q12 hours. What we have is clindamycin, and it's 300 milligrams per 2 milliliters. They busted it down even further to 150 milligrams per milliliter. And it's a 2 milliliter vial. So what he wants is in grams. What I have is in milligrams, so something got to change. And you know it's kilograms, grams, milligrams, and micrograms. If I'm going from grams to milligrams, I'm going to the right. I have to remember it's 3 places. If you don't understand why, go back and find the video that I have about the metric system. Anyway, so 0.6 grams. I'm going to grab the decimal and go 1, 2, 3. Will be 600 milligrams, what the man wants. What I have in my hand, you can use either one of these. It will come out to the same number. I have 150 milligrams per 1 ml. And then we're going to do the math. This divided by that times 1. So 600 divided by 150, dookie fart, sorry, divided by 150 equals, times 1 would still equal 4 milliliters. Y'all see that? Look, boom. Saved another one. I told my son we need to get t-shirts with that. Would y'all get them? Okay. So the next one says ketaloric, which is Toradol, 16 milligrams IV Q, 6 hours, PRN for pain. Available, we have ketaloric, 30 milligrams per milliliter. And the whole sucker's a 1 milliliter vial. So what he wants is 16 milligrams. What we have is 30 milligrams per 1 ml. So here we go again on our own. Y'all know that. Okay, 16 divided by 30. It's going to be 0.5. It's 0.53, and that will equal 0.5, because if you remember, on the instructions, it said round to the nearest tenth unless otherwise told. So look, we saved them. Yet another one. Yay. Go us. Okay, look ahead now. Heparin, 2,500 units sub-Q. Express your answer in hundreds, okay? We'll do that. So, I'm going to do it over here. What he wants is 2,500 units. What we have is 10,000 units per 1 ml. You see that? So we're going to put 10,000 units per 1 ml. And we're going to count the zeros when we put them in. Here we go. 2,500 divided by 10, 1, 2, 3 equals. And then it's 1, so it would still equal 0.25 milliliters. And look, we saved them. We saved them. Yeah, we did. Okay. So this order is for Cardura 8 milligrams PO daily. You got two options to choose from. We got 2 milligram tablets. How do I know they're tablets? Because it says it right there. And 4 milligram tablets. And if we got to give 8 milligrams, I mean, he going to need a couple of cups of water to get, if we use the 2. So they ask which one you're going to use. We're going to use 4 milligram tablets. So what he wants is 8 milligrams. What we have is 4 milligrams times 1 tab. And then we're going to do the math. This divided by that times 1. Okay, 8 divided by 4 equals, and we're going to give the man 2 tablets. Look, sure enough are. Saved another one. Yay. Okay. Come on now. Oh, Lord. Okay. Look, somebody on here going to tell me what I'm doing wrong, but don't help. There we go. Look. The order's for Augmentin. Look, I had to get a shot because I've had the crud, and it's whooping me. But anyway, here I go. Augmentin, 0.5 grams, POQ 8 hours. And this is what we got. Augmentin, 250 milliliters in every 5 milliliters. The whole thing is 75 milliliters for the bottle, but that's not what we use. We're looking for the per. You see that per? That tells you it's what we have in our hand. And look, this is grams, and what we have is milligrams. So, you know, if we're going from grams to milligrams, we've got to move the decimal to the right 3 times. So 0.5, we're grabbing it 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 500 milligrams is what Mr. Man wants. What we have is 250 milligrams per 5 mLs. And we're doing this math. You hear me? We're doing it good and proper. Here we go. 500 divided by 250 equals, times 5 equals, and we're going to give him 10 milliliters. Look, boom. You know what we just did. Right here in front of everybody. We saved another one. Okay, this one says gentamicin or garamicin, 60 milligrams IMQ12. And this vial says there's 20 milliliters in the whole thing. But the strength, see that per right there? You're looking for the per, 40 milligrams per ml. You're looking for the per on that sucker. You hear me? All right. So what he wants is 60 milligrams. What we have is 40 milligrams per 1 ml. 40 milligrams per 1 ml. And then we're doing the math. 60 divided by 40 equals, if it had been something else there, we'd have multiplied it by this number, but we're giving him 1.5 milliliters. Boom. Boom. Yeah, we are. Like Olympic gold medalists. Okay. I know it's a lot. Just hang on. This is the order. 500 milligrams. And this says, according to the label, the amount of powdered drug is 1 gram. And the drug label states for IM injection to add 3 milliliters of sterile water diluent to the vial to yield a volume of 1 gram per 3.6 mLs. Or you see this, 280 milligrams per milliliter. Now look, I brought this over here. We're giving an intramuscular injection. Right here. And so it's 1 gram powder. We're going to put 3 milliliters of some liquid in there and shaky. And that will then be 3.61 milliliters total in the thing. Why is it more? Because those little particles of dry medicine, when they rehydrate, they swell a little bit. So even though we put 3, it's going to be 3.6 milliliters. But this isn't what we use to work the problem. You see that purr just staring at you right back? That purr, 280 milligrams per milliliter, is what we're going to have to use to work this thing. Okay? Look, I'm going to set it up. What I have is 280 milligrams per 1 ml, because I don't forgot what it said over here. Okay, 500 milligrams, what Mr. Man wants. And then we're doing the math. You see? I mean, if it was intravascular, then you're going to have to follow this right here. But the information that you need is on this, in this little writing. So acquaint yourself with it. Where you got to keep it, how long it'll keep after you reconstitute. All that's in there. Anyway, so, but they didn't ask us that. They wanted to know how much we was going to give them. So we're going to do 500 divided by 280 equals times 1 milliliter. And that's going to be 1.78 is going to equal 1.8 milliliters. We're giving him in his buttocks. Yeah, he'll feel better. And look, thank you for watching. And I'm on YouTube, y'all. Be sure and go and just subscribe to the channel, so that if something happens with TikTok, because they ain't made their mind up yet, if something happens, you'll know where to find me, okay? I'm also on YouTube. I mean, on whatever that is, Facebook. I'm about brain dead today. And I hope this helped. But y'all have a good evening. Take care of yourselves. Love each other. All right? And yourself. You hear? Bye.